Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable GPU watch on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, you want to go all the way down and tap on developer options, and then go all the way down, swipe down, and in here, in the games section, you want to tap on GPU watch. At the top here, tap on the switch to turn it on or turn it off. If you switch it on, then there are a lot of other settings that you can change. If you tap on general settings, you can change the background transparency. You can also change the background color. You can enable or disable graph grid and margins. And then in here, you can choose to add or remove the widgets to show in the GPU watch. So here we got FPS, surface, load, context info, and you can tap on the add button to add any other custom widgets. So you got graph and you got the text here. Then tap on OK and then tap on back. And you can see some of the information is now showing on the screen. So if we were to launch a game, we can see it will show us all the information during the game. So it shows you how much CPU is being used at the moment, how much GPU is being used, the percentage, and then you got the current average FPS on the surface. Then you got the custom widgets, informations, and that's it. So that's how you can switch it on. You can see while we are on the home screen, there are very little usage of GPU, only 1%. There is still some CPU usage here, even if you're on the home screen. And if we go back into settings, you can always switch it off as well. So that's just the developer options. If you go down here in GPU watch, we can switch it off. And that's it. That's how you can turn it on or turn it off on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.